What's up, Cactus?
You good there, bud?
No.
God, please take the bloody night vision off your forehead.
You don't have a rhino mount on your forehead?
Funnily enough, no.
Someone's got COVID.
Nope, just a really bad cold.
And Todd decides to move.
I'm not sitting next to Cactus,
Come
am I?
on. So yes, prisoners of war, we will not be executing anybody. Thank you very much.
Yay. Friend.
Step forward, Chambers. You're a medic, aren't you?
Dark, everybody gets a nickname, but yours is short, so you'll just be called Dark.
That's fine.
Chambo, Hawk, Foxy.
I like how you've actually increased the length of my name.
Chambers, Cactus.
Who's flying this?
Me?
Oh god.
Oh god.
Why do we give the sick person the controls?
You guys like movies about gladiators? You ever been to a Turkish prison? You ever seen a grown man naked?
Chambo, we're going to go back the other way, and we're going to go opposite way to where they've gone and take the next compound.
Roger, roger.
Right, follow Delta in. We're going to clear this little compound and push southeast.
One moving, but clear and right.
Bloody hell.
I'll take him.
Yeah,
All
just
right.
in time.
Yeah.
Oh! Fox, no!
Reloading.
He got shotted in the face.
We could aim the mortar straight up, drop one round, and leave.
I'm not going to justify that with an answer.
Let's move downstairs and re-meet with them, Fox. Do you want a prisoner or do you want me to take him?
Well, I can take him. Whoa, hold on.
We need to keep moving. If we took a mortar hit now, we'd be wiped.
And that's like a failure would have been lost.
I mean, you lot no, but me, yes.
But
Not allowed out that way.
Right.
You absolute.
Did it, Patrick! We saved the city!